All day long, you've been looking forward to the leftovers from last night's glorious pasta dish, but when you open the lid and you look inside, oh, it looks dry and unappetizing. What do? I have some tips for reheating.
Do you break into a sweat with even the thought of having company? I'm here to help. After trying just a few of my hosting tips, you'll be more than ready to say, come on over.
I'm going to show you 4 musts for reheating your pasta, and stick around for the last one because the number 5 is a must not. Let's start with the musts. Any pasta you cook will absorb the liquid you used in the dish when it was fresh. It was nice and juicy and wonderful. You put it in the fridge and it will absorb all those juices. So you need to add or supplement some sort of liquid. Now you can just throw in some water. In fact, if you save some pasta water, first of all, mad props if you thought to do that. But if you save some pasta water, that is ideal. Pasta water has leftover starch and salt from when you made the pasta, so ideal. But like me, you probably didn't even think of that. So at that point, you can add just regular water, or you can up your game with some chicken stock, a drizzle of olive oil, which also helps to really separate the pasta, or your best bet is to add in more of the sauce that you used. It just increases the flavor. But any liquid is better than no liquid, so use what you have. Now, if you used a casserole dish for your pasta meal and you just stored it in this dish in your refrigerator, perfect. That's when you put in your liquid, you kind of mix it around a little bit, put a lid on it, and put it back into the oven. It will warm the dish, which will slow heat the pasta with the liquid, and that is ideal. However, if you've put it into a storage container, your other option is to dump it into a lidded stock pan, just like this, or anything that's the right size. Then you add your liquid, stir it up, and warm it on the stovetop under low heat. That will work very well. So adding one of these liquids to the pot and then putting the lid on, what it's really doing is it's steaming or sweating what you have in the pot, and it helps the liquid get incorporated. It adds more steam liquid and it separates the pasta for you. You want to use low heat. So this is a great alternative to the casserole dish, but both great options. Another great and delicious option is to take cheese, which has between 30 and 40% water in it anyway, and grate it over the top of your pasta, and that will add flavor, it'll add depth, and it will add liquid. And if you're a cheese-eating rat like we are in the Come On Over house, this is a great option.
I'm just crackers about cheese.
And now, what you should not do, and that is, no matter how tempted you are, no matter how starving you are, no matter how I've got to eat right now you are, you should not use your microwave. Why not? Well, you can add the liquids and you can do all of this, but you're gonna get rubbery, sticky, not good pasta. I know, it sounds crazy. I mean, the microwave is a wonderful modern invention for heating things quickly. But in the case of pasta, it is not your friend. You want to use stovetop oven options and just snack on something else while you're getting all of that liquidy goodness inspired again for last night's pasta dish.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.